Let's try out some Babel. Welcome to babeljs.io, Babel's home website. babeljs.io has a feature that allows us to very quickly experiment with ES6 code and see how it transpiles to the pre-ES6 JavaScript. So let's go to try it out. And of course, while you're coding in ES6, feel free to visit Babel.js yourself and experiment around at your leisure. Okay, as you can see, they already have some ES6 code transpiled on the screen. Let me zoom in real quick. And here we have an array mapped over with an arrow function. However, the arrow function is something only available in ES6, and it becomes a regular map function in JavaScript with the function keyword that you see over here on the right. Now don't worry, we'll have a whole video covering arrow functions later. Alright, now let's experiment with some more ES6 code that you'll expect to see in this course. I'll declare an ES6 constant. So const a equals ES6 constant. Cool. And then I'll declare a new coding block, and then I'll let a equal another ES6 variable. Awesome. Now, those of you already familiar with JavaScript might be opening your eyes wide at the fact that we use the same variable name twice. Shouldn't that throw an error? Well, the answer is, we'll explain that in a later video. Overall, though, you can see Babel functioning now as it transpiles our ES6 code back to the JavaScript that browsers can support. Awesome. See you in the next video.